If you're a fan of bay boats that can do a little bit of everything, the upcoming 2026 Sportsman Masters 267OE is definitely one to keep on your radar. Sportsman has been refining this model year after year, and for 2026, they've taken an already popular boat and made it feel even more premium, more capable, and more versatile. At first glance, the design feels instantly familiar, but also noticeably sharper. The hull lines are clean and aggressive without being overdone, and that wide stance gives it a confident presence on the water. It's the kind of boat that looks just as good idling at the dock as it does running across open bays. Sportsman has clearly focused on balance here, a layout that works for serious fishing but still feels comfortable enough for family cruising. Powering the 267OE is where things get exciting. This boat is designed to handle a single high-horsepower outboard, giving you strong acceleration, smooth cruising, and impressive fuel efficiency for its size. Whether you're running skinny water early in the morning or heading offshore on a calm day, the performance feels predictable and confident. Compared to earlier models, the ride feels more refined, especially in choppier conditions, thanks to subtle hull improvements that help soften impacts and improve tracking. One of the biggest reasons people love the Masters 267OE is its layout, and the 2026 version really builds on that reputation. The open deck design gives you tons of usable space, with smart storage tucked away everywhere you'd expect. Live wells are placed exactly where anglers want them, and the casting decks feel solid and spacious without feeling bulky. At the same time, there's plenty of seating for passengers, making it easy to switch from fishing mode to relax and cruise mode in minutes. Step into the helm area and you'll notice how clean and modern everything feels. The dash is designed around large multifunction displays, keeping navigation, engine data, and sonar easy to see at a glance. Controls are laid out intuitively so even first-time owners won't feel overwhelmed. Sportsman has also improved seating comfort here, which makes a big difference on longer days out on the water. While bay boats aren't usually known for interiors, the 267OE still manages to feel refined. Upholstery quality feels a step above previous years with durable materials that still look upscale. The forward seating area doubles as a great lounging spot, and when you want to fish, everything converts quickly without fuss. It's that kind of thoughtful design that shows Sportsman understands how people actually use their boats. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. High gunnels, solid handholds, and a stable hull give you confidence whether you're moving around the deck or bringing kids on board. The boat feels planted, even when people are shifting positions, which is something owners of older models will definitely appreciate. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Sportsman Masters 267OE is expected to sit in the upper mid-range of the bay boat market. While final numbers depend on engine choice and options, it remains competitively priced considering how much you're getting. Compared to past models, you're paying a bit more, but you're also getting better fit and finish, updated tech, and a more refined overall experience. So when you look at how the 2026 model stacks up against earlier versions, it's really about evolution rather than reinvention. It keeps everything people loved, performance, versatility, and fishability, and adds more comfort, better tech, and a slightly more luxurious feel. If you're searching for a bay boat that can handle serious fishing, family outings, and even light offshore runs without breaking a sweat, the 2026 Sportsman Masters 267OE feels like one of the strongest all-around options in its class. It's familiar, improved, and clearly built with real boaters in mind.